pretty good, actually.
Good, good, good.
I thought I was going to be exhausted, but I feel all right.
Cool, cool. We clocked in at 2.56 miles after an 80-minute spin class.
Yes.
That's how we roll. All right, we got senior coming in. Woo-hoo! How you feeling? Good job. How you feel?
Good.
Good, good.
Good, good.
We clocked in at 2.56 miles.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So
Yay.
after 80 minutes of spinning.
Spin. Ah, you're killing me.
We're ready for
Good,
tomorrow. Good. We got Sarah Gilchrist. Woo! I was hoping somebody was taking a golf shot right now. To break their concentration. Coming in. Woo! There it is. 2 point. You're looking good. 2.56 miles. How you feel?
Feeling great.
Good, good, good. When they said it couldn't be done, they called on Freddie Lee.
Hungry.
Yes, I'm hungry myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's time to eat.
Yeah. Alrighty.